Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get this strawberry daiquiri summer eye look. So let's jump right in. Starting with my skin primer, I'm taking my baby skin pore eraser. I used to always love using this because it would give my skin a nice smoothness and prepare it for my makeup. For foundation, I decided to try out the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 4.5 medium. At first, I wasn't sure if I was going to like this foundation, and then once I had it on for the day, I noticed it kept a really nice glow and complexion on my skin. I've been really loving to apply my foundation with this concealer perfecting brush by Gotchis. I just really love the angle of the brush and how it applies the makeup on my face. Just going to keep blending that out till I get a nice smooth glow. Adding this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo blush lighter. And does this have a name, or is that must be the name? I'm applying it with this 046 RT by VL brush. I believe I got this at TJ Maxx. Now to prime my eyelid, I'm taking my She Glam eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to pack this all over the lid to get it ready for the shadows we're going to use. Now for eyeshadow, I'm taking my all-time favorite Club Tropicana by BH Cosmetics. I just love the foiled shadows in this palette and the way the colors blend together. I'm packing the pink shade all over the lid. Next, I'm taking this gunmetal black color. Very lightly, and I'm going to pack this on the outer edge of the eyelid and blend it in with the pink, creating a nice smoky look. I believe this creates a very nice gradient, perfect for summer. I'm going back into the pink shade, and I'm putting this in between the black and pink just so that we can create a nice blend, a smoother blend between the two colors. For the lower lash line, I'm taking this eyeshadow pencil I got on Temu. It's the TFT Stereo Shadow Color Pop eye pencil, and it's in one of the orange shades. I'll see if I could find the link I purchased it from, and I'll put it down below for you. And I'm just lining the waterline with this. For an extra pop of color, I'm adding this Wet n Wild eye pencil in Shock Therapy, and I'm putting this directly into the waterline right above the orange eye pencil. And for mascara, I'm taking this one that's currently been my favorite for a while now. It's the Colossal Curl Bounce. This is the color Blackest Black, and this mascara is by Maybelline. I just absolutely love the volume and curl that this mascara has been giving my lashes. I barely have to put any coats, just a few to make sure that I don't have any clumps. Getting my lips smooth before I put on my lip gloss, I'm taking my Blistex chapstick. I just really find that this helps to smoothen my lips and get them ready for the gloss. For the lip gloss, I'm taking this Oh My Gloss by Rimmel London, and the color we have is 300 Modern Pink. My mom actually gave this to me the other day to try out, and I really love it. It smells like raspberries, and it gives your lips a nice summer gloss. This pretty much completes today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!